I remember every time you chose to not remember. Every weekend span you try to best protect. I know the future. Rips back the suture. Get back, or lose her. Get back, or lose her. I know the suture. Rips back the future. Get back, or lose her. But I should let you know I've been thinking about your love. About your love. And so you say it's fine. One step, two steps, another. You've got your reasons right, my child. Don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath. I'm a sucker for adrenaline, every villain is. Everybody trying to change my ways, but I live just to see you break. I'm a sucker for adrenaline, every villain is. You take the high road, I'll take the low. Everyone lies cause everyone knows. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Oh, a little bit bad. Feels good to be a little bit bad. I'll admit I'm a little bit wicked. I belong in the grave I'm digging. I live like a villain is. I come alive when I lose control. Everyone lies just to ease their soul. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be just afraid to show our colors. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Oh, a little bit bad. Feels good to be a little bit bad. I've seen men like you come and go. You think you got me, but here's what you don't know. Eternity runs through my veins. You cut me down, but I'll stay the same. I've got forever in my blood. I've got a fire on my tongue. I've got a feeling you should run. I'm coming back from the dead. I'm coming back from the dead. This war we wage is already won. You forced my hand and now what's done is done. You'll try to fight back, but it leads nowhere. You can't reach the end, 'cause I'm already there. I've got forever in my blood. I've got a fire on my tongue. I've got a feeling you should run. I'm coming back from the dead. I'm coming back from the dead. I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the light. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit. Got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to